Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove suggested files in Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Google Drive's suggested files feature provides recommendations based on your recent activity and interactions. Of course, if you want to remove or hide these suggested files, there are several methods that we can explore in today's video. But do remember that if a suggested file contains sensitive or confidential information, removing them can help protect your privacy, especially during shared or public devices. Clearing suggested files prevent others from accessing or viewing files you don't want them to see. Now, for us to be able to do that, we need to hover to our profile icon here at the top, which is going to be the gear icon, and click on Settings. Now, once you've done that, I need you to hover down below. I need you to click on this offline option. You can create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and slide files on this device while offline. After that, I need you to click on the notifications and make sure that this is turned off, all right? Because if it's turned on, you get all updates about the Google Drive's items via email. You'll still receive messages related to your Google account, and that includes the suggested files in Google Drive, all right? After that, click on Save, and then this is the official G Drive Help Support Center, wherein if in case you encounter any problems along the way removing suggested files in Google Drive, just type in your concern, press Enter to see if you get an answer. All right, so these are the relevant topics that you might want to explore. If not, just go here and post to the help community, wherein you simply need to post a question and then a short you can also attach a file here. Now, after that, one of the active members in the G Drive help community would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to remove suggested files in Google Drive. All right, if not, you must go to the contact us option and tell them your issue. All right, I believe that's it for today's video. Remember that removing suggested files and recent file sharing settings can indirectly control the suggested files you see in Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.